Hello and welcome to the product demo for our pitch deck template for SaaS startups. This template has been specifically designed for SaaS founders to help them raise funds for their startup. It comes with an expert crafted pitch deck template on Canva that is fully editable, along with comprehensive slide-by-slide guidance which helps you understand the purpose behind each slide, what goes into each slide, comes with an AI prompt that helps you create the content and present it in the most lucrative manner, and also gives you the next steps. It also has a brainstorming session where you can just add the content and brainstorm with your colleagues and teammates to come up with the best possible content. Okay, now in order to get started, first you'll have to duplicate the template to your own workspace. For that, just click on this duplicate button. Add it to your workspace.
Now, the template has been added to your own Notion workspace and is fully editable. To get started, click on this link. It will take you to the editable Canva pitch deck template. This template consists of everything that is needed to present your idea in the right manner to the investors. It includes the title slide, your problem statement with proper numbers and everything, the solution slide where you can show your demos and images and all, another product demo slides where you can show key features of your product or your SaaS product, or your technology stack, which is also important. Then again, your business model, how much you charge for each of your plans. Then a breakdown of your unit economics. This is again very important to show because it helps the investors understand how much it costs for you per customer and what are your profits per customer. Then the market opportunity. Okay. After that, the competitor analysis, go-to-market strategy, current traction, customer testimonials if you have any. If there are any big brands, then you can add them here as well. The financial projections, this is also very important because they need to see what is the ROI they'll get after they invest in your company. Total funding asked, a breakdown of it, okay, shown in like a nice, innovative manner. Then we have your future milestones. Okay, what is it that you plan to achieve in the next few quarters or next few years? If you've gotten any media traction, then you can add it here. If you haven't gotten it, you can delete this slide or you can replace this with something else. Then you have your team. You can add the photos of your team members, etc. Finally, there's a thank you slide. And we also have a very well made style guide that you can use to edit the whole template. We have logos, icons, assets, everything, the fonts, headings, everything is there. And again, this becomes fully editable. So you can repurpose the slides as you need. Okay. Now, to get started on this, first you'll have to duplicate this template as well so that it becomes editable. Click on File and then make a copy. Now you have this copy, right? The first thing that we'll do is that we'll rename the file. For this, you need to have a Canva subscription. You don't need to have a pro subscription. As you can see, my subscription is also unpaid. And to create a Canva account is very easy. You can just log in using your Google account. Okay, so let's get back to this. We'll call it pitch deck for FinConnect. Okay, that's what we'll name our fictional company. Go here, change the name. You can also change the font, the colors, anything. Then you can also replace this with your logos. You just have to upload your own logo and replace the file. If your logo consists of your name, just delete this and add the whole logo here. You can edit as you want. Okay, now we have to come up. Editor's note, cut here. Starting again. Okay, now we have to come up with like a really good elevator pitch for our title deck, for our title slide. Sorry, cut again. Okay, now we have to come up with a really good elevator pitch for our startup. So you go back to the Notion template, scroll down, you have your title slide, we've given you the purpose and everything, what goes in, and we've given you an AI prompt that will help you create the elevator pitch. Okay, so just add in the details. Let's say our target demographic for this is accountants accountants and financial planners, and we help them by helping them That's right. Now we click on generate. And there you have it. You have all of these options. You can keep updating it as long as you want. You can change up the prompt to get better results. Now let's say that you have exhausted your credits, the free credits for AI prompts. You can just copy paste this prompt into any of your free AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini, and then get these results, put it here, and then brainstorm with your team to decide which one you want to choose. Now for now we have the credits, so let's choose one of these. Let's say AI. Let's try to get like more. Okay. Yeah. AI-driven financial planning, streamline financial planning with AI integrated Excel tools, effortless budgeting for accountants using. Yeah, I like this one, so I'm going to choose this. So you just copy, you go back here, and then you just paste it. Right? We'll edit it using AI technology, and there you have it. This slide is ready. You can change the colors and everything as you want. Then you go on to the next slide. This is the problem. Okay. You can change the text and everything. You can change this number. Let's say we want to change this to 50. I'll go change it to 50%, whatever. Okay, now again, we have prompts here that will help you do this. Now it'll be difficult to go through each slide because then that'll make this demo much longer. So I'll just take you through it very easily. We have given you what the ideal scenarios are and how to put in the data. It's important to put in sources and everything. These tips are given. Then again, you can use the same prompt, okay, that we've given here. Your product address is the problem, blah, blah, blah. And then it'll give you like key points. Okay, then use those points, just make sure that they are the right ones and go and edit your deck. Similarly, you can do it for each and every slide. You can replace the images very easily. Okay, so that's about it. Again, like we have tables also where you can just calculate your data. I mean, this doesn't have the Excel functionality, but then you can use this version to give the final data and then copy paste the data from here to your pitch deck slide, if that is making sense to you. But anyway, the point is that you can use this section to actually input the data and see how it's coming together. Okay, we also have additional tools here like price calculation tool, finance models that you can explore in your own time. And yeah, so I think we've covered most of it. Just to show you something cool, you can go here, see this is an image. You can just edit it the way you want. You can go to uploads and you can replace it, change the dimensions, everything. And of course, we are always here if you have any questions. You can just write to us and we'll help you navigate any difficulties that you are facing while creating your pitch deck. So thanks guys, thanks a lot for giving us a chance and checking out this video, and we really hope that you download this product and it helps you with your fundraising journey. Thank you.